I'm just admiring myself. Oh, sorry, I'm doing the video. I'm trying to compete with this comedian. I'm just admiring myself. Oh no, we actually got a client here.
There we are.
Right. So what happened then? We put some stuff on your head and you screamed, didn't you?
Yeah. First 10 seconds after that.
Yeah. But now, why did that happen? Because you left this on too long, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so there you didn't.
I learned it the hard way.
So you didn't expect that coming from me, did you? So it's honestly right. So what James has done? He just left the tape on too long, and he's been a 2-week hold, and tape doesn't have holes in it. Yeah, so it's gathered a little bit of sweat. So that is nothing to worry about. But I'm glad he came in now and he's having a new system fitted, so I can educate you. How's your strawberry blonde looking?
That's it. What's it, rusty 2p piece?
Hey, my missus is going to kick my ass, she watches it.
Yeah, we're going to message. I'm going to somehow get hold of your message.
That's going to catch on, I reckon, that.
Yeah, there we go. That's a good little close-up of how natural the lace looks. And again, that's pretty cool. Do that again, Joy. Yeah. Cool. Your face.
Oh, yes, mate. Come on.
There you go, buddy.
Nice.
So how young are you now?
Say again.
How young are you?
21.
21.
21, yeah.
And
That's seamless.
I'll show you that side, it goes in the way.
oh, that's right. Even better.
It's the same.
Yeah, that's all good.
So happy?
Oh, yes, mate.
All right. Okay. Give us a smile then. Look at that. Fantastic.
Cheesy grin, mate.
Boyish looks.